Hi guys, welcome to the Have a Glass of Wines. And today we're here with Wine Waterhouse to understand this amazing idea. And I want to show you what's going to happen today. We're going to do some introductions and we're going to explain about the business model. And they have a beautiful app demonstration. And we're going to talk, of course, about the challenge and everything around this amazing idea. So go get your glass of wine and let's get started. We are here. I'm Bianca, and we are here with Alessandro, Elton, and Vidu. And we're going to go through. Hi guys, how are you?
Hello, Bianca.
Hello.
You guys
Thank you so much.
right?
Yeah, of course.
Oh,
Thank you guys for being here with me. And so let's talk about that. What's gonna happen today?
Everybody knows that we all love wine, right? That's why you chose this topic.
yeah,
It's amazing topic. Wine lovers.
it's an important business, and also it's a pleasure to have a glass of wine
Okay. Worldwide as well. Everybody loves wine, all parts of the world.
and have
Okay.
their satisfaction in all the supply chain process. That's
Oh, yeah,
the
right.
idea.
Good, amazing. It'd be amazing. And about talking about the app, what about the usability for someone that doesn't know, about the wine, about the is not a technological person, it's how is the usability of the app?
Yeah, that's other important question. As you guys can see, this is our interface.
Oh,
We
it's amazing.
we design using very modern UX design technologies. It's very easy to navigate using button navigation, and so it's completely simple. Let's get started. Explain the app and show
Yeah, please.
how it's gonna be. So this is the home screen. That's the first screen that the first contact with our customers. So
Okay.
we are highlighting features wine, and these features wine usually are those which have discounts. For example, this oyster-based Sauvignon.
Okay.
It's
Like adaptation, right? The user
yeah.
varies.
For example,
Have
this
a
wine has a 15% off, so it's very it's a very important and it's important discount. So it has some highlight view here.
Okay.
But also you can navigate for many options, future wines here.
Mhm.
And also we can our customers can go straight to a specific type of wine that they prefer. For example, I'm looking for red wines, so it's gonna list all red wines in our warehouse. And
Mhm.
click on the image. We're gonna have all the wines detail, a summary about this specific wine, the
Oh,
harvest,
cool. You have the taste? Oh, yeah.
grapes, taste,
Yeah.
food
Sometimes you don't
quality,
know if it's dry enough or whatever. Yeah.
yeah,
Sure.
market reviewing. So it's easy to navigate. And also we can apply some filters here and set different characteristics to facilitate, to contribute to the user experience in our application, in our app. So, and
Mhm.
once the customer decide in buying this wine, it just click add to cart, and the wine is going to be available in his or her cart, right? We can add many bottles, right? And
Mhm.
checkout, simple like that. And
Oh, great.
some order somewhere here, the total plus tax, final price, the shipping address. This is very important information for our customer. You can set
Mhm.
and use the already set address, customer address, or set a specific shipping address here. But anyway, just place the order and done in just a few clicks. And the customer can check his invoice in this part here. We have all the invoices issued for this specific customer. For example,
Wonderful.
to Elton Evangelista, shipping to this address. He bought 4 bottles of Oyster Bay and total tax and etc. Very simple, right?
Wonderful. It's like it's a normal flow of when you buy whatever, something on Amazon. The flow that the user already knows. So it's good. Yeah.
Yeah,
It's amazing.
yeah.
Yeah, I agree. At the same time that we design a beautiful interface, because I think people say not, but it's very attractive when you have a beautiful product.
Oh, yeah, of course.
So when you have like something beautiful and you can see that we use many colors, it makes even more intuitive. Even if it's beautiful, it's simple. And the user has many features, for example, to search for a wine. You have a filter out there. On the home screen, you also have some filters for using search by name or even by type. And on the side of the screen, you have different ones. We have details about the food that it goes with. Sometimes the user wants to eat something and he wants something that goes with that food. We
Yeah,
have that
I can
one as
tell
well,
you. Yeah,
information.
I can tell you that it's a really good feature. The culinary matching, because I don't know, sometimes when I go in the party and you don't know I don't know what to bring. I know it's a pasta, but I don't know what kind of wine. So it's really useful. I like this part. Yeah.
Yeah, so we're
Good.
really proud about the interface because at the same time it's beautiful and useful and user-friendly. It also offers lots of features for the user. It's easy to navigate and rich at the same time. So it makes us like proud, right?
And as an administrator, so we have I have access to a control menu here, and here can
Okay.
manage products, warehouse, financial reports, and sales reports. For example, in products, I can, for example, using all those search features here to identify a specific wine in our warehouse. But anyway, you can add a new wine here, simple like that. Fill up this form here, right? And add all the information about this wine, sales price, discount, initial price, stock. And this is also a very important feature. We can set here where this wine is going to be located in our warehouse. It's to simplify our warehouse team managing the stocks and be very dynamic serving our customers. Okay?
And everything integrated in the same place.
Yeah.
Wonderful. Yeah.
We also can edit, for example, let's see, this Matua is a Sauvignon Blanc New Zealand wine. We can edit this wine here and set different characteristics for this wine. But usually the most important thing here is to set up a new price for this wine. For example, let's increase this price and save. We're gonna have an update. Oops.
Yeah, let's increase because Christmas is coming, so we need to have money.
This is a popular wine, so it's important to hold on just 1 second. It takes us a few seconds to update. I guess it's done. Product. Let's see. Oh, let's search for it. Where are you? Okay, it's done. Yeah, $21 plus 6% off, and that's it, right? We also, in this part here, we can set, for example, expand our stock. For example, we are buying new wines. We can add a specific cost price here. For example, we are paying for $11 for a new stock, adding $100. Okay, and here we can also define the location. For example, our warehouse is set in 3 aisles and shelves. So AO2 shelf, for example, S3. Update wine.
This idea of location, Bianca, is just to facilitate when the staff need to process our order details, you have to deliver the wine, so he has to know where the wine is. And think about scalability, that one question that you made, think if we have many warehouses, and sometimes they usually he buys, they purchase a wine that doesn't have in this warehouse, but has in another one, so we should be able to locate, right?
That's the point, Alessandro. Look, here we have, for example, in total 51 bottles, but the last update was aisle A2, shelf S3, we have 100 bottles here. And this is a very straightforward way to manage the warehouse, right? And also, if you have, for example, a critical stock level here, it's going to be alert and listed here in this part.
Yeah, to let you know that you need this, you need to provide more, right?
Right, yeah. And also very easy to navigate. And here we have also a very other important feature is our delivery orders. For example, we sold a wine a few minutes ago.
Okay.
We have many orders here. Our business is doing very well.
I'm happy to hear that.
Yeah. So here, for example, we have a deliver order for a specific customer, specific address, invoice, and we have 10 bottles of Chardonnay Reserve in this location, and so on. So this is very easy to navigate and manage our warehouse. Let's go for the next step for the financial reports.
I was ready to ask because I want to know about the money. How can I see what?
Yeah.
That's the most important, right?
Yeah.
We are still in our first year of business, so we have a lot of investments at the very first step of our business, so that the numbers is still getting better, but we are in negative numbers here. For example, here we have a product cash flow indicating the cost in a period of time and revenue in the same period of time. For example, from November 3rd to December 3rd, we had revenue of $22,000, something like that, and we spent a lot of money buying new stocks, almost $50,000 in costs here, right? And this is indicate a gross profit margin, a negative gross profit margin, but the revenue growth rate, it's awesome because this indicates that we are selling more wines if compared to the previous period of time.
Yeah.
For example, okay?
It's really good, guys. Actually, I really like it.
And
I can see all the information that I need as a management. I'm a manager. I can have everything here. It's really cool. Sorry, what are you going to talk?
As we said, what's like just on for the staff and also for the user, right? Both ends.
Yeah.
Have a good feature of that. And then trying to ask you questions about scalability. We can talk about some technology, right? We had some challenge to implement the app actually. I think for my side, actually making designs is hard, but luckily we have Elton, so Elton.
Here's okay.
But something new for me was designing a whole system with MongoDB, for example. I'm used to using relational database. So when you design this with NoSQL, you have to make some adaptations. It's kind of different. And that was pretty new for me. It was kind of challenging to learn how to do that, right? Because when you have relational, you can get data from one table to another table, make relationships, and you join data. But in here, with no skill, it's a little bit more complicated to do that. And then you have to make it, we have to design differently. This was one of the challenges, but I think the biggest one was actually integrating the code of the team. So I improved a lot my skills in terms of Git and GitHub, for example. I have some merge, and sometimes I have merging codes and have conflicts, and I have to solve that. And we are afraid of breaking the code of our friend. And so we have to deal with that. Working as a team was really good with this project.
Oh yeah,
And
good.
last,
Yeah.
I agree, totally agree, Alessandro. With our mindset, it's kind of SQL database, right?
yeah, for sure.
And we have to change this idea. For example, this is our sales management module. We are performing many database operations to display this data. Here, we are displaying sales units and sales amount in a specific period of time. And also, it's hard to manage this information using MongoDB. But it's important, but anyway, it's hard to build those pipelines and reach to a desired output. That's the idea.
It was good as well. It was good as well. And we also designed like thinking, let's revisit the data in here. So in the near future, you can apply some artificial intelligence in here, and it can do things like suggesting to the customer where to buy. It depends on the region of the person that buys. Perhaps he can have one kind of hint for buying some kind of wines, while the other one in the other side of the country receives a different one. And yeah, it was designed like this. It was pretty good.
Yeah, I think it's the first, as you told me, just started like first year. So I think the first version is amazing, actually. Yeah, you guys did a really good job. The complete app. And I know that was challenge. I think the time, all the stack that you told me is new for everyone. But I think it's like I don't know.
We are as students. We have learned many things throughout our courses, and it's a kind of putting everything together. For example, using our experience in UX design, very, very important, soft engineering, try to code using low coping, high cohesion, and also apply some project strategy, defining rules and establishing our journey throughout the development process. So that's
it's funny, man. That's something that was new for me in this project. When you learn something, when you have some limitations and you have to do with that, like I said, we think like relational database, but you can only use it MongoDB here. So how to solve the problem?
Yeah.
It's forcing you to think differently, right? Because you have to deal with that limitation of technology and so on.
You need to use, but you need more, right? You need to use this, but you need more than they can provide. So yeah, I got it.
That's pretty nice as well. You can survive with some small stuff.
Yeah, I think V want to say something. Sorry, V.
Oh, I'll say as for me, for us, I think it's the re-engineering the project. Like you have the prompt, like we all want to do wine management warehouse, but there's so many ideas came up to us, and like it's different to choose which one like is suitable for us, and then how to present it in our app with like different features. I think that's one of the main challenge, and also we can learn a lot from that one.
Good.
Yeah,
it's amazing, guys. Thank you for sharing everything. You guys wanna say something else about all the project?
Yeah, drink more wine, guys, because you're gonna buy more and then you can sell our app.
Exactly. Cheers.
That's what I'm gonna say. Have a good night, guys.
Nice so yeah, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Elton, Alessandro, and V for joining me here. Thank you for watching, guys. So yeah, it's amazing business, and for sure, let's have a glass of wine. Thank you so much. See you next time.
See you next time.